What's up, guys? Today we're gonna go on a little road trip. And guess who's coming? Mr. Red Hot Chili Pepper himself.
Do it.
Trying to bring this? Is this one of your tools? Okay, here we go. First road trip with the RS. It's gonna be sold soon, so might as well bring it out. We're gonna go visit my brother in upstate New York. I think it's gonna be like a 1,000-mile road trip, so I'm gonna make a crap post vlog just to remember this. Best electrician I know. Hey, Ethan, tell us about yourself.
My name is Ethan.
Okay.
I'm the one that's driving to Jared's house. No other electrician would do that. So that's,
Which makes you the best.
makes me not the best. It's gonna be fun.
It is gonna be
Road
fun.
trip with the boys.
It's gonna be fun.
With the main street nearly brought me to my knees.
Hold on, are you opening that? Are you drinking it right now?
No, I didn't drink it. You cracking them open? Red berry. Red berry flavor. I haven't had this for. What are you doing there? Is this some kind of prank? What was that? It's like I drank a bunch of Sour Patch Kids melted down into a weird liquid.
Another couple.
Oh, now the aftertaste tastes like pizza. What are those little? The
that's what you
aftertaste tastes like a
taste?
pizza combo. All right, we got an hour and 45 left.
All right.
We got some energy. We got some drinks. We got some candy.
Got some candy.
Yeah, we sleep in cars and so far from
Nothing like
watch
it.
the sun go down on the road. I've been searching for you all of my life.
What's up, bro?
What are you eating? It is now almost 11 o'clock at night. We wrapped up dinner. We went out out of town. We're getting back to work on the house. Little bro's project. Painting away. Getting it done. Good job. It's looking good. Doors are in, walls are painted. You would not believe what this place looked like before. See what's going on in the bathroom. Whoa!
I don't know what I'm doing.
What are you getting to here?
I don't know how to paint. I'm not.
Let me see it.
Just do that.
Whoa! Dude, that's hot stuff.
Speaker.
Nice work.
Fan. Always shut the breaker off.
Some highly dangerous electric. Oh my god. Wait, is it Iron Man? Turn it on.
No.
Whoa! That looks pretty good. Nice job, guys. Wow. 1/3. Oh, baby.
That's his license plate.
All right, we've been working hard. We got the pizza. We're gonna go out on the boat.
Pizza.
Have a good time on the lake. Calm.
Got the pizza.
Calm. There's our sailor. Exactly. It is. film all day yesterday. Look at this low life.
Look at this guy.
Trimmed out the inside of this closet in here. Check out that professional work. Trimmed out the inside of this closet. Trimmed out the back of this bathroom, shoe molding. Trimmed out up top. Trimmed out this piece here. Got the light installed on the outside porch. Got the outlet in. Power washed the whole deck, which looks nice and new. Power washed the outside of the house. All this looks nice and new. We got a bunch of outlets on the outside, a bunch of light fixtures outside of the deck. Generator plug. Nice. I got done yesterday or the day before. Looks really good. Light installed on the shed. That's the color green that the shed in the house is going. That's gonna be probably next week. And it's about time to hit the road for me and Ethan. Productive trip. Got a ton done. What do you think, bro?
This is cool.
This was cool.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
Good job. No problem. Yeah. I don't even know if I described in the beginning of the video, this was, or is my brother's investment property. What are you doing? And yeah, it's about 6 hours from where we live. So we're in upstate New York and he's just about done. He's been working on this for almost a year and he's got to do some outside stuff, some inside stuff, wrap it up. And me and my buddy decided to come out and help him out for the weekend. So we had some fun, had some good times, got a lot of work done. We're tired. We're gonna hit the road.
Hit the road.
And we'll see you guys in
On
the next
one.
one. In the next one. In the next one. Peace out.